Hello, I'm Cody from Ounuo Machinery. Today I would like to introduce our new digital corrugated printer, CSW1600 series. This is a single-pass corrugated printer and the fitting width is 1600 mm. The printing width can be recommended in different configurations from 850 mm to 1600 mm according to your needs. The most prominent advantage of this machine is its high speed and stable printing. Equipped with the industry-level Seiko nozzle, the max speed can reach 120 meters per minute. This nozzle has the advantages of long service life, easy cleaning, low maintenance cost, and high stability. Compared to the most commonly used nozzles in the market, the speed of Seiko nozzle with the same printing effect can be doubled. In terms of printing large color blocks, the performance of Seiko is also very superior. In addition, Seiko nozzles are not sensitive to the working environment and can adapt to different temperature and humidity working environments. We will exhibit this machine in Bangkok, Thailand in September. Here is the information of the exhibition and our booth. Welcome to visit us and look forward to meet you in Thailand.